Hello, good morning everybody. Yesterday we have completed few of the new terms of lesson number 17. So today we are continuing with them. I think nearly 25 words I have given. Remaining we are going to do now. Okay. So let us write them. New terms. So today also you are going to write 2 times each. First you are reading with me, then you are going to write them. So 25 I give. I am giving you a number 1, 2, 3, 4. You can continue with what number I have given the next ones. Okay. Resolution. 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 Then next, disobedience. 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 DISOBDIENCE. Disobedience. Okay. Sorry. DISOBEDIENCE. Disobedience. We have a word, civil disobedience movement. You know civil? This is bit harder, so I wanted to give you. Okay. Then frontier. 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 Agitation. 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 The next, elections. 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 Consulting. Consulting. Muslim. 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 LEAGUE. League. Muslim League. Independent. Independent. So these are the remaining words which we wanted to add to yesterday's words. Okay, these are the only 8 words you are going to add to them. You are writing 2 times each. Let us read them first. RESOLUTION, resolution. RESOLUTION, resolution. RESOLUTION, resolution. DISOBEDIENCE, disobedience. DISOBEDIENCE, disobedience. DISOBEDIENCE, disobedience. FRONTIER, frontier. FRONTIER, frontier. FRONTIER, frontier. AGITATION, agitation. AGITATION, agitation. AGITATION, agitation. ELECTIONS, elections. ELECTIONS, elections. ELECTIONS, elections. CONSULTING, consulting. CONSULTING, consulting. CONSULTING, consulting. MUSLIM, Muslim. LEAGUE, League, Muslim League. MUSLIM, Muslim. LEAGUE, League, Muslim League. MUSLIM, Muslim. LEAGUE, League, Muslim League. Independence, independent. INDEPENDENT, independent. Independent, INDEPENDENT, independent. INDEPENDENT, independent. So please add these words to yesterday's list. Yesterday, whatever you wrote, you should add these few more words to that list and write them 2 times. I have already read the spellings. Please do learn them properly. Okay, next. What are we going to do? We are going to write few fill in the blanks today now. Please take the heading properly. And write each sentence neatly. Underline with red pencil. Leave a line after each sentence is over. What I am doing, few from this first bit multiple choice questions. Fill in the blanks, whatever are given, those I am adding to the bit here. You see, I am adding it to the bit here. Fill in the blanks bit is there. There I am going to add them. So today we are writing these fill in the blanks. First one, Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869. Second one. So Mahatma Gandhi was born on dash. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869. Then the Jallianwala Bagh incident. The Jallianwala Bagh incident. The Jallianwala Bagh incident took place on 13th April 1919. Let us write completely in one place. April 1990. Third one, Abdul Ghaffar Khan was known as Abdul Ghaffar Khan was known as the Frontier Gandhi. Abdul Ghaffar Khan was known as the Frontier Gandhi. Do or die. Was the slogan raised by Mahatma Gandhi. Do or die slogan was raised by Mahatma Gandhi. First, let us read these four. Mahatma Gandhi was born on dash. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869. The Jallianwala Bagh incident took place on dash. The Jallianwala Bagh incident took place on 13th April 1919. Abdul Ghaffar Khan means dash was known as the Frontier Gandhi. Abdul Ghaffar Khan was known as the Frontier Gandhi. Dash was known as the Frontier Gandhi. Abdul Ghaffar Khan was known as the Frontier Gandhi. Do or die was the slogan raised by dash. Do or die was the slogan raised by Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, next we are writing now. Fifth, World War II was started in World War II. World War II was started World War II was started in 1939. World War II was started in 1939. Sixth, Rani Gaidinliu was from there. Rani Gaidinliu. Rani Gaidinliu. Rani Gaidinliu. Rani Gaidinliu. Rani Gaidinliu was from Nagaland. Was from Nagaland. Rani Gaidinliu was from Nagaland. Rani Gaidinliu was from Nagaland. Gandhiji wanted the freedom. Gandhiji wanted. Gandhiji wanted. Gandhiji wanted. Gandhiji wanted the freedom. Gandhiji wanted the freedom. Freedom struggle. Gandhiji wanted the freedom struggle to be peaceful, and non-violent. Non-violent. Gandhiji wanted the freedom struggle to be peaceful and non-violent. Eighth one. Patel led the Patel led the Patel led the farmers Patel led the farmers struggle Patel led the farmers struggle Patel led the farmers struggle at Bardoli. So let us read this for World War II was started in dash. World War II was started in 1939. Rani Gaidinlu was from dash. Rani Gaidinlu was from Nagaland. Gandhiji wanted the freedom struggle to be dash and dash. Gandhiji wanted the freedom struggle to be peaceful and non-violent. Patel led the dash struggle at Bardoli. Patel led the farmers' struggle at Bardoli. Next, ninth one. Congress decided to have Purna Swaraj at Lahore session. Congress decided to have Purna Swaraj at a dash session. Congress decided to have Purna Swaraj at Lahore session. India became free country on 15th August 1947. India became free country on 15th August 1947. Muslims wanted separate Muslims wanted a separate homeland called Pakistan. Muslims wanted a separate homeland called Pakistan. These are the fill in the blanks. You must copy in your notebook, leaving one line after each one. So, this is it for today. Tomorrow we will continue with some other part of the notes. So, here I stop. Thank you, children.